Every single day, millions of cat owners across America look into their cat's eyes and feel a deep, unspoken bond. You feed them, shelter them, love them, talk to them, and sleep next to them. You call yourself their parent. You call them your baby. Here is the truth that most cat owners are completely unprepared to hear your cat does not see you as a human being. Not even close. And once you understand what your cat actually thinks you are, everything about your relationship with them will change forever. Scientists have spent decades studying feline cognition, and the results are not just surprising. They are absolutely mind-blowing. So if you have a cat, or you love cats, stay with me until the very end, because what you are about to learn will completely transform the way you see your furry companion, and the way your furry companion has always seen you. Sign 1: your cat thinks you are a giant, clumsy cat. This is not a joke, and this is not a metaphor. Researchers at the University of Edinburgh and anthrozoologist John Bradshaw, who spent over 30 years studying cat behavior, concluded that domestic cats do not mentally categorize humans as a separate species. Instead, they treat us as large, somewhat awkward, and frankly, not very talented cats. Think about that for a moment. When your cat slow blinks at you, that is cat language for I trust you and I feel safe around you. When your cat brings you a dead mouse or a half-eaten bird, it is not being gross or showing off. It is doing what a cat does for a fellow cat it cares about. It is trying to teach you to hunt, because clearly, from your cat's perspective, you are terrible at it. When your cat headbutts you, which is technically called bunting, it is depositing its scent glands onto you, marking you as part of its social group. It is saying, you belong to my colony. You are one of us. Your cat is not serving you. Your cat genuinely believes you are both living the same kind of life, just that you are significantly larger, you have strange hairless patches, and you are absolutely hopeless at catching prey. Every behavior your cat shows you, the grooming, the kneading, the sleeping on top of you, these are all feline social behaviors they will display toward other cats. You are, in their world, family, but family of the feline kind. Sign 2: your cat does not respond to your emotional state the way a dog does, but it reads you more deeply than you think. Dogs evolved over thousands of years specifically to read human facial expressions and respond to human emotions. Cats did not go through that same process. So for a long time, scientists assumed cats were emotionally indifferent to their owners. But newer research published in the journal Animal Cognition absolutely shattered that assumption. In a study conducted at Oakland University, researchers found that cats behave differently depending on whether their owner is smiling or frowning. When owners smiled, their cats were significantly more likely to purr, rub against them, and want to sit in their lap. When owners wore negative expressions, the cats kept more distance. But here is where it gets deeply fascinating. Cats only showed this behavior with their own owners, not with strangers. This means your cat has learned to specifically read your face, your body language, and your emotional energy. Not all human faces. Your cat has been quietly studying you. It knows your moods. It knows when you are sad before you even realize it yourself. It knows when you are anxious, when you are relaxed, when you are ready to play, and when you just need to be left alone. Your cat does not see you as a human, but it has built an entire internal map of who you are specifically as an individual. That is not indifference. That is a quiet, deeply personal attentiveness that most people never even notice. Sign 3, your cat communicates with you in a language it invented just for you. Here is one of the most remarkable scientific discoveries about cats that almost nobody talks about. Adult cats in the wild almost never meow at each other. Kittens meow at their mothers, but once they are grown, cats communicate with each other through body language, scent, and subtle vocalizations, almost never through meowing. So why does your cat meow at you constantly? Because your cat invented a communication system specifically to talk to you. Researchers believe that cats discovered early in their domestic relationship with humans that we respond strongly to sounds that resemble infant cries. So, over time, cats developed and refined their meowing as a targeted communication tool aimed exclusively at humans. Your cat meows at you because it figured out that you respond to it. Different cats develop entirely different meow